Bitcoin went right up to about $93,000, almost $100,000. Are we gonna see Bitcoin hit $100,000 this week, next week? Well, no one knows what is going to happen. But today, I want us to look at these meme coins. Baby Dogecoin, Floki Inu. We are going to look at BOME. Also, let's look at Miro. Most of these meme coins have been doing so great recently. And I want us to establish the next move. Where can we expect price to go to? Remember, Bitcoin always move first, then money is gonna flow to mid cap, then low cap. And Baby Dogecoin and most of these coins I'm going to be discussing on today's video are low cap. And I don't just want you guys to look at the video as okay, I want to talk about what next for Baby Dogecoin. Look at the strategy or how I'm analyzing the market so that you can learn from it and apply it with any coin out there that you are investing in. If you are new on my platform, you are watching the BETONG Crypto. Yeah, I create content to help you understand market structures, support and resistance, when to buy, when to take out profit. I'm all about making you profit, helping you become profitable in the market long term. So if this sort of content interests you, then feel free to subscribe to this channel and share the content with someone else out there. By the way, I have a buy and sell signal for those of you who want to take advantage of price action during this bull market. You want to get into different coins, switch into different coins, make quick gains. Then you buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana, whatever coins that is your main coin. I can help you through my buy and sell alert. You're gonna get what I'm buying. Like, yeah, actually, is exactly what I'm gonna be buying. Trading and all this good stuff that I'm gonna be doing in the market. You're gonna get all of it. So if say you are interested, go below this video and connect with me through my free Telegram community. Join there and say you want to become part of the VIP group, and I'm gonna tell you how to join the VIP group. Okay, I can see some of you watching already on YouTube. All right, let's get to this. Always we will have to begin with the bubbles. Let's see what the bubbles have in store for us before we come to the chart of Bitcoin and see what's going on. Then we can go to the chart of Floki Inu, Baby Dogecoin, and the rest meme coins. Now, this is a daily time frame. Let's begin on the on this time frame. The top 100 coins has been full of huge gains by Morg, Peanut, with Pepe, Popcap. They are doing well. And you can see, as usual, I'm pairing these coins against Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is my USDT or my fiat. And it shows that if I'm in Bitcoin, then I'm fine. But if I'm not, I'm in these coins also, then I'm still fine. This is based on what happened today. And if we look at what happened for the week, we can see other coins that have been doing well this week. Pro, with Pepe, Floki, Doge, Bong, almost the same coins, have been doing well this week. Now you're asking yourself, why do I always keep showing you guys this chart, this crypto bubble chart? It's because I want you guys to understand that for you to actually make money, most of the time you need to identify which coin have strength against Bitcoin, which coin is doing well. And if say you must buy any other coin, you can go to the coin and click on it. Let's say for the week, ICP is down 10%. You can see also Quan is down for 70%. You can look at a coin that have pumped. For example, let's see Omo is down 16%. You can click on it and it can gonna give you the performance for the hour, the day, the week, the month, the year. So it shows that this coin has pumped 2,000, almost 3,000% this year. And if the coin is down only 35% for the month and for the week 16% and the day 13%, it means that maybe the next move in the market, it might be for this coin, right? This coin might outperform Bitcoin. I don't know. You can see also OP is down 16%. You can click on OP, see that for the year is down 64%. And because this is one of the top coins out there, is ranked 53. So there's high chances that OP can start pumping as well. So you can go and analyze OP. FTM is also another coin that is good for the year, is up only 10, is down minus 10% for the month 30%, for the week 15%. So you can rightly say maybe the next trend is gonna be this, or this one. And Shiba Inu is getting trading right now. You can see for the year it's up 14%, for the month 1.2%, for the week 9%. So Shiba Inu is a coin which is beginning to outperform Bitcoin. So it's you gotta be more in Shiba Inu or most of these coins, but you have to go on the chart of this coin, like on trading view, to analyze where price is, and maybe if say price is around resistance or support, or price is maintaining structure, or price is about to break structure based on Bitcoin pair. It's very important you understand all of this. So I just want to be showing you guys everything I do on a daily basis to help you be a pro trader, be a pro investor in either of these coins. Now let's begin with Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin is dumping after this this pump. Yeah, I think maybe this is the final, not, let me not say the final pump, right? Because right now where we are, for us to actually confirm a break of structure or break of trend, then price must do something like this. As always, must come below and create lower low, then go back, attempt to break the high. If price is not able to break it, then we can expect price to even go more downward, then like do this, something like this. So price can do that quickly. It can happen so quickly, and I think if price is gonna do that, you're gonna bring so many other coins downward with price. But one thing I've noticed here is, even though Bitcoin price is doing this, like it's dumping, dominance also is increasing. You can see dominance has been increasing for some time now. Let me just go to the weekly time frame for dominance, and remember, guys, what I mentioned in my previous video, that this should be the area where we might start expecting pullback for dominance, and this is around 66% for USDT for Bitcoin dominance. Or it can go right up to this area here where that we have this liquidity, 2.781 trillion, and this is going to be around 72% or 70%. That's going to be the area where I think maybe we're going to start seeing the next movement for altcoins. But for now, I think Bitcoin is going to soak most of the altcoins that have already pumped. And yeah, because you see coins like TRB, my wife was asking me today, okay, should I buy TRB? I'm like, okay, wait a little bit, let's see what is happening, because Bitcoin is pumping, but most of these coins are not pumping. What's actually going on here? Maybe we're gonna see most of these gains, recover back by Bitcoin, and that's possible. And but the good thing is gonna be that prices must have broken structure, but price is gonna stay above structure, which is awesome. So we want to see price respect structure, particularly for TRB. We want to see price be above this area, yeah, around let's say around $63. I'm now talking about $1,000. I say this is Bitcoin. So Bitcoin dominance is really important when it comes to trading any altcoin out there. You have to understand when to get in, when to get out, and we can see that USD dominance as well is recovering after taking this huge dip to the downside, and to attempt to recover this liquidity here. And if we go to the daily time frame on USD dominance, you can see that we might be preparing to see a huge spike to the upside and pull back, and then continuation to the upside, may come and retest this area, and this might cause the price of Bitcoin to dump like really crazy. Okay, so guys, even though we have seen this parabolic move with Bitcoin, we should be careful with our altcoins, because if Bitcoin is dumping, it can take most altcoins down with it, eliminate most of the gains we have made. That's why I recommend you guys to take your profit and put in Bitcoin or Ethereum. It doesn't mean that if you put your profit in Bitcoin and Bitcoin drops like 10% or 20%, you won't be able to buy again your altcoin. I'm gonna be doing you a favor by asking you to buy Bitcoin with your profit, because if Bitcoin is not dump 10%, then you know that there are more altcoins, or most altcoins out there are going to dump even 20%, 30%, and that's going to create an opportunity for you to buy cheaper, more of those coins. So that's just the strategy. It's so simple and easy for anyone to understand. Now let's get to Baby Dogecoin. No, Floki Inu. Let's see Baby Dogecoin first. Yeah, let's analyze Baby Dogecoin. Now, there's something here that I think is really important for Baby Dogecoin, and I want to establish this area. I did establish this zone last time, but I want to do it again so you guys see it. So this is a zone. We want to see price stay above it. We have seen an attempt here today, but look at this buyback. Again, we want to see price stay above all this daily candle close above this zone that I just drawn, that I've drawn here. And this is very important, guys, because if we need to see the next move to the upside, then we need to start seeing this price we're expecting, and maybe we're gonna see a pump. So let's go to the 4 hours time frame. Let's see if say we are, yeah, you can see we saw this huge pump to the upside, and price has recovered at least half of this vector, which is the rule. If say we are bullish and we see a huge spike like this, and the vector candle is formed, then we expect pullback to half of that pump, or around half of that pump. And in this case, this is what has happened. I think I'm gonna just buy maybe those coin right now, because I think maybe we might see like pull back a little bit. Let me just buy maybe those coin a little bit right now, while I am live with you guys. Let me go to my phone. I have my phone. I trade with my phone. I just want to get some maybe those coin right now. 'Cause I think we might see a bounce from there, and even if price goes against us, then I can sell. Like, this is when I'm gonna sell again. If I see price break this zone and come and close below here, any of these 4 hours candle, then I'm gonna just sell immediately, because I might see price even go right downward. But let me just buy quickly maybe Dogecoin. By the way, I'm buying it on Binance. So if say you wanna buy on Binance, my link is found below this video. If say you don't yet have Binance, let me see Baby Dogecoin. Get some Baby Dogecoin right now. 1M. Yeah, I got some Baby Dogecoin right now. I'm not gonna wait to see what price are gonna do, but I think we're gonna be going up from here. If I look at, yeah, we're gonna be going up from here. Yeah, definitely, guys. You can see, like, let me show you guys something. After this move to the upside, this is a new indicator that I found. I discovered it on my own, by the way. And you see, we saw this pullback here, right? This retracement, yeah, and an attempt, but we saw how it formed this SFE area here, and it attempted, and not that it attempted, it create higher highs on the 1 hour time frame, and now come back. You see, this pullback is here, so we want to see this pullback hold the zone and create higher highs. Then this line gonna keep on going to the upside until we want to see the next spike to the upside for Baby Dogecoin. Okay, but I want to see price stay above this range. Where I just draw this zone here, and if price gonna do that, then this is gonna be a perfect W formation. You see, whoop, to the upside. So I think Baby Dogecoin looks bullish. I really think so, and I think of course, guys, what I do here is not financial advice. Don't quote me somewhere that the BETONG have said buy Baby Dogecoin. I just bought it for my own purpose. You see, I just did my analysis right now and realized, oh, now is the time for me to get some Baby Dogecoin, and I got some of it. So if say you want to follow me to get yours, then feel free. Overall, I think again, if we look at this time frame, what I showed you guys the previous days, we are in this range on the weekly time frame for Baby Dogecoin. This range here, price didn't succeed to go below. Usually, when price make do a pump, like with price pump like this, we're gonna see retracement, then pullback, retracement, pump, retracement. But this time around, price held this zone here, and we should expect price to stay above and still above this area where we are on the 4 hours time frame. So these are the areas that I'm looking at for Baby Dogecoin. Even if we break down here, I can look for the next trade only when price get to this zone here. But if say I see a break of this zone and price close below, then I'm gonna sell Baby Dogecoin and expect price to move back here. And if price is not able to move back here and price goes back up there, I want to buy again. Now I know maybe I want to take it right up to this next high here, this previous high, which is awesome. Okay. Next here is Floki Inu. Those of you who are part of my VIP community, I told you this was the first target, and we got our profit from the we got our profit from the first target when price was still here, and now we are looking at this area as the second target. Now this is a zone here. I don't know if say you guys already mark it, but this is a zone. Our price is gonna come there. Why? Price left this zone and fell instantly. Now price has broken that zone again. Let me mark it properly. It's good, always good to mark it so you see that I don't talk bullshit. You can see price left this zone, and now we have to go straight to where price left. This is what area where the alpha trend printed itself signal. So looking at this, pump here, I think the pullback is going to come from here. So I think maybe tomorrow or today or this week, we're going to see another pump to the upside, or price can move sideways a little bit. But this is the target. I'm going to talk about this another day again to confirm with you guys that I knew this is going to be the target. And if say we're going to see the next move to the upside or continuation to the upside, then price must break above there. Then we test it. Or price can do something like this. Go there, come down a little bit, then move to the upside, then retest it. Or price can still do something like this. Go up there, come here a little bit, then go up there. So that's the scenario I'm looking at for Floki Inu. But now, falling to the 4 hours time frame, we can even see clearly what price is doing. And for us to actually look at key areas, and yeah, let's say we should expect price to pull back to certain areas. We can bring in the Fibonacci tool from here where the move started to the top of the move. Then we're going to be waiting for price at the golden pocket or at the 0.786 zone. Well, the golden pocket is where we can start buying. But if say this coin is bullish, we can just see pull back from 0.382 zone on the Fibonacci retracement tool. So like guys, what anything can happen. Okay, what you should be looking at is if say structure is maintained on lower time frame and higher time frame. And what I mean by structure is this: if we look at this zone, this is an area where we saw the first like this the second move to the upside, which this is the first move, second, then third move to the upside. So this zone should be considered our support area, this area where I drew here. So if say price is to break this zone, then the next area is going to be this previous low here. So you have to assume that if price is going to break this for Floki Inu, then why shouldn't price come right down here? Price have to come right down here before we see another bounce back to the upside. And if price is not able to break this zone and go up, then price might just fall down again from where price is. I trade structure. I don't want to be that guy who is going to say prices must go there or this is a prediction for price. No, I trade structure, and provided I'm still in an uptrend, then I respect that structure. So for example, if say we see price come to this area here, we see pullback like what is going on here, I think we might recover all of these vectors here. But if say we see pullback here, then and price keep doing something like this, then we see stopping volume candle here on lower time frame, like a 1 hour time frame. You see like something like this pullback, this pullback, this pullback. Then you know that price don't want to go below, so you can start looking for buy opportunities there to take price to the upside. And usually, this is how price react. Price might be here moving sideways like this, then at time go up, then but the price is making higher highs, and higher lows until you see a breakout from there, to the upside again, and then price might go and create more highs. So it's just simple. Just make sure you follow price action, see what price is doing, so you can apply it in your coin or the coin that you are trading. Now I want to talk about Miro. Miro has been pumping recently, today, of course, and I have some members of my community, my VIP group, that are holding Miro, and I gave them this call. I told them that they shouldn't panic. We're going to see a pump for Miro. Of course, there was always going to be resistance here because why? We have seen price traded this zone multiple times. Let's go below. Yeah. There was always going to be some sort of resistance here and pull back to this zone. So you can see here in the past on this 4 hours time frame, we have traded this zone multiple times. We saw rejection here multiple times this area. So there's high chances that we're gonna see a pullback there. If say something bad is gonna happen in the market, so we can see this pullback there. But it's okay, guys. You just buy more when you see it there. But what we don't want to see is price come close below. Price shouldn't do something like this. Price must not come and close below here. We don't want to see that. Price should stay above this area here, this zone here. We want to see price close below it. If price do close below it, then we are in danger for Miro. But I think overall the target for Miro is awesome because looking at the daily time frame, the analysis is clear. We have been in let me just try to do something here so I can get a clean chart for you guys. Let me expand this. Yeah. So looking at this on the daily time frame, you can see Miro has been in a downtrend until we found a bottom. So now we are going to see retracement back, pullback. Price going to pull back to either of these zones that I mark here or with the Fibonacci tool. So this is my first target, second, third, and fourth for Miro Coin. If say you are interested, good and fine. But I'm not going to be there to tell you exactly when to buy or when to sell, but I can tell you that be part of my VIP group, and not only Miro, you're gonna have other coins to buy. You're gonna switch in between coins. For example, if Miro get to its target, I won't tell you to stay there or say, okay, get out, let's look for something else so you can get in. So you keep recycling your money, keep buying coins that have opportunities to make you more money. So if you're interested to be part of my VIP, go to the description of this video. You are going to find my free Telegram group. Join my Telegram group. Say there that you want to be part of the VIP, and I'm going to add you to the VIP. Or tell you how to join the VIP group. Now, another coin I want us to look at here, which is very important, is BOME. BOME has been pumping today like crazy as well, and it's also one of the call I gave to my community on Telegram. And yeah, it's the same thing, guys. If let me just go a little bit to the price action for this coin on market cap level. So I have to, like, I always do this, guys. Whenever I see price do something like this, and I see, like, I expect the price to bounce from a particular zone, and if the zone to me is like the bottom of a downtrend, then I expect price to pull back to these key areas. Looking at the Fibonacci tool. Okay, so if say you are buying BOME, don't rush to sell right now. Relax. We haven't gone anywhere. Imagine that this coin can go to let's say 1 billion. We are still at 728 million market cap, right? We still have about 300 million to get to 1 billion, and it can go straight to 2 billion, 3 billion, 4 billion. This is the coin that have the most liquidity in the market. It's one of the top meme coin out there that has the most liquidity in the market. BOME Coin. That's why I love the coin so much. In the downtrend, you won't see that so much sell off because Binance and top exchanges are holding most of the liquidity, so you won't find them selling, dumping their bag like that. I think you won't just see a huge candle. You can see price looks stable. There's not spike to the upside and downside because of liquidity. Let me show you an example of what I'm trying to say here, like Trump coin. So you're gonna see a spike up and down based on lack of liquidity for this Trump coin. You see, look at this spike up, spike down, spike up. That's because of lack of liquidity. Right now, this coin have just 1K liquidity on the Ethereum blockchain. Imagine that you see a coin that have only $1,000 liquidity and the cap is 3 million. So how are these guys gonna sell? If you try to buy this coin, you're gonna see a huge spike to the upside. If you try to sell this coin, you're gonna see a huge spike to the downside. So I think to an extent this coin is dead on this chain, except on Ethereum chain, maybe they have more liquidity, so they can transfer their coins to Ethereum chain to sell it there or to trade it there. So this is just an example of a coin that have no liquidity. You see this spike to the upside is lack of liquidity. So let's get back um to BOME. Yeah, I was talking about BOME. Yeah. So BOME really looks somehow great. I will not expect you guys to just panic and sell right now because the market is dipping. Wait for the next leg up to the upside. So this is where you catch out the profit. It's simple as that. Just catch it out there, and it's gonna be good for you. You wait for pullback. If price is gonna break this zone, like break If you cash out profit, let's say you cash out profit, yeah, then price break above, it's fine. Price will not come back there. Then you can buy freely, and then the next to the upside. Usually, when I say sell, don't sell everything. You can sell 40% or 50%. You leave the rest there. If you go up, you retrace to buy more with your profit. That's just the idea. You use your profit to buy more of the coin. Now let's move to Reef Finance. Let's see what we have for Reef. This bad boy has been. Let's see what we got here. Of course, the usual. Reef Coin is not doing anything serious. It's just, it's just like a meme coin. Of course, it's an advanced meme coin, but we are still in this zone that I mentioned. This is a crucial zone, and for me to actually say I'm gonna buy Reef Coin or Reef Crypto, I must see price do something like this, break the zone free, come back, hold it, then the upside is going to be bogus for refinance. So there's nothing much to talk about refinance. Yeah, just for you to see where price is. We are still ranging, moving sideways. Nothing is happening. Nothing is actually happening here. We're not seeing more downward trend, which is also meaning the market makers are building contracts here to take the price to the next level. I think they're gonna take price to the upside because we just left this. Look at this huge dump. This is manipulation of the highest order. Now, another coin I want us to look at is CSPR Caspa. Let's see where Caspa is. If say it has been respecting structure. Okay, yeah. From our previous conversation, I told you guys that I want to see. Oh boy, let me see. I told you guys I want to see Casper hold this zone. Okay, no matter what happens, I want to see Casper price hold this zone that I drew here. This zone. And if price keep holding that zone, then I myself can buy this coin, right? But let's look at what is going on the 4 hour time frame. Let's see. Okay, you can see here we have been having this stopping volume candle here on the 4 hours time frame. You see, want to see price hold the zone, and if we see a huge spike to the upside, then you can buy. But again, price must go and make higher highs from here. Then maybe you buy during pullback on that time frame. And if we look at the 1 hour time frame, almost similar thing. Yeah, you see, price is holding the zone. Yeah, which is very important. And if see you want to buy, yeah, then price must go above. Come here, hold the zone, then you buy it to the next side, to the next upside, the next zone to the upside. Yeah, this is pretty much everything I wanted to discuss with you guys today. I've been live for 27 minutes, and hopefully you have learned some good stuff today. And if say you want to be part of my VIP group, you know what to do. Just go to the description of this video. You're gonna find my link tree. From my link tree, now you're gonna find my Telegram group. Then from there, join my Telegram group. It's free of charge. And ask there that you want to join the VIP group. I'm gonna send you a link to be part of the VIP group. That's just how it is, or that's how part of my VIP group. All right, guys. Let's call this a go for today. Hopefully, the content was amazing to you today, and you've learned something. Again, guys, don't just look at this content as you want to buy Baby Dogecoin, you want to buy Floki Inu, Caspa, Reef Coin, Bitcoin. Look at it as a tutorial that is going to educate you on how to analyze the market, what you have to look at key areas, market structure, how structure is being broken. When price break below certain levels, maybe you want to buy or take out profit or wait for pullback to actually sell at a minimum loss, something like that. But always you need to be doing the right thing. Always, not just not just buying and without any plan to sell. You don't know when to sell. You have to, like I urge you to look at my content, not like I'm talking about the Doge coin every now and then, or Reef coin, or this. It's a content that should help you understand price action. I want to see each and every one of you succeed. I want to see all of us make money during this bull market. And if you think you don't have the balls, you don't have the courage, you don't have the psychology to, be patient, wait for price to get to your zone, then make sure you be part of my VIP. It will cost you $20 to be part of my VIP. That's the cost to be part of my VIP. but you're not gain more than that. Trust me. I just want to see people who are committed, people who really want to take their trading, their investment to the next level, to help them in in a private way. So that's that. Subscribe, thumbs up, and share with someone else out there. Ciao.